The evolutionary superpower. Imagine you're a hunter-gatherer 50,000 years ago. Suddenly, a saber-toothed tiger leaps from the brush. In milliseconds, your brain initiates a superpower response. Your heart races, your senses sharpen, and your muscles get a massive surge of energy. This is stress, and it evolved to keep you alive. But today, the tigers have changed. Now, they look like angry emails, looming deadlines, or doom scrolling through a chaotic news cycle. Our biology hasn't caught up to our modern world, and that's a problem. The two faces of stress: adrenaline versus cortisol. When you face a stressor, your body releases two main chemicals. Adrenaline, the sprint hormone. It's for immediate action, fight or flight. It boosts your heart rate and shuts down non-essential systems like digestion. Cortisol, the marathon hormone. If the threat persists, cortisol takes over. It manages energy over the long term but keeps your body in an emergency state, suppressing your immune system and your ability to rest. The danger of chronic stress. Stress was meant to be a short burst. But in the 21st century, it's constant. This is chronic stress, and it's a slow-motion disaster for your body. Your brain. Chronic stress literally rewires your brain. It favors impulsive, quick reactions over calm, logical thinking. You actually lose wisdom points. Your immune system. It becomes weaker against diseases but more prone to inflammation, increasing the risk of cancer and autoimmune issues. Your heart. Constant overactivation can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. How to take control. So, how do we stop this cycle? Here are 3 science-backed ways to use stress as intended. 1. Close the loop. Stress needs a release phase. If you've had a hard day at work, your body thinks it's still in the middle of a hunt. You need to signal to your brain that the tiger is gone. This means active relaxation, a walk in nature, working out, or meeting friends. Relaxation isn't laziness, it's essential maintenance. 2. Identify the micro-tigers. The most effective way to remove stress is to remove the stressor. Take an inventory of your day. Is social media making you anxious? Unfollow or delete. Is your commute draining you? Look for alternatives. Small, micro stresses stack up. Removing even one can change your baseline. 3. Ask for help. If you're so stressed that you can't think clearly enough to solve your problems, you've reached a vicious circle. At this point, the most powerful move is to ask for help, from friends, family, or a professional. Stress is an ancient tool that helped your ancestors survive. It can still be a superpower when you need to perform, but it claims a piece of your life force in return. Use it when you must, but always make sure you find your way back to the campfire to rest. At the end of the day, stress is a tool, not a lifestyle. It's meant to help you survive the storm, not to be the storm. If you're ready to tame your tigers, hit like and subscribe World Untold. Now, go take a break. You've earned it. Thanks for watching.